How to enter referral code in GoDaily app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can enter the referral code in the GoDaily app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to enter a referral code on the GoDaily app, first of all go ahead and launch the GoDaily application here, and then make sure that you're signed into the account. Now even if you do not understand the language, it is very simple to redeem the code. For that, first of all, just come to this special icon right, you can see from the bottom right corner, but right one step before it. Once you come to the icon, you have to scroll down. Now if you don't understand it as well, you have to look for these two icons over here, which is the people like icon. Now at the top you can see it says join Facebook channel, so that is not what it is, but instead you have to look for this icon over here which is says 50,000 coin or something like that. When you tap on it, it will take you to the page where you can simply enter your referral code that you have. So enter the referral code that you have received, just tap this orange button, and then your referral code will be successfully redeemed. This way you can enter a referral code on the GoDaily app. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.